If you're like most people, you probably only think about your furnace when something goes wrong. But did you know that regular furnace maintenance can actually save you money, keep you comfortable, and extend the life of your heating system? At Vectra Mechanical, our planned furnace maintenance service is all about keeping your system in top shape. Here's what we do. We inspect and tune up all the essential components of your furnace. This includes everything from checking and replacing air filters to inspecting your heat exchanger, blower motor, and thermostat calibration. We even have ancillary services available for homes needing deep cleaning. We also check your system's safety controls and startup cycle, and measure the output and running temperatures to catch any hidden issues early. For oil or gas furnaces, we take extra steps like inspecting the burner, pilot, and thermocouple. But that's not all. When you sign up for our planned HVAC maintenance, you'll enjoy priority scheduling, as well as 5% off labor and parts for all our Vectra Mechanical services. Plus, regular maintenance ensures your equipment runs at peak efficiency and lasts as long as possible. So yes, furnace maintenance really is worth it. Keep your furnace system running smoothly with Vectra Mechanical.